Thank you.
Okay, just checked in with the tour. He loved our little DJI Osmo Pocket, so we could have just paid for this.
Oh god.
Oh, we should have. That would have been smart. But so now we have about a 4-hour drive. An hour. We have an hour and a half until our first break, and then we'll go from there. So it's rainy season. This could be treacherous. We'll have to see, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Can't get any worse than that cancellation. Maybe. I just jinxed it. Where the heck are we?
Maybe this is baseball?
Nah, I doubt it.
I don't know.
Maybe though.
Possibly.
What am I getting? Sandwiches. Hot drinks, buffet.
Cocoa tea.
Yeah, here we have some cocoa leaf tea. So this little cocoa leaf thing is great for the altitude and dealing with the sickness. So yeah, another 3 hours after this, and we'll be in where we need to be. Santa Maria. Santa Maria.
Which one is it?
I think it's Santa Maria.
This is the small river.
You're just ruining my shot.
You made it seem like we were doing the 2 nights one. Yeah. But we still have 3 nights.
Yes, well, hopefully. I don't know.
Otherwise, we're getting there a day early. We don't want that.
We don't have tickets or a train home.
Yeah.
I should look at the receipt. Supper's done. Or lunch. That was lunch. We get supper later today. It's only us two on the truck apparently right now. We don't know where everybody else is or if they're even coming. So the next couple days will be a really good discovery day for us. But we're here. We're going to do whatever we're told to, and Wilbur is our boss. So thanks, Wilbur. No, what are you saying? My camera's not good enough? No. Okay. Alright, so it's currently... I don't care, you should shoot on this point. It's currently 8:56. Just ate a delicious Lomo supper again. I'm flipping it around so you can't see what you just did. Tomorrow's wake up is at 6 o'clock. Breakfast at 6:30, and then hiking starts, or the car ride to hiking is at 7. and then we go from there.
Sweet, man.
So 8 hours of hiking, but we do get to go to hot springs tomorrow, and then the day after that, probably zip lining. So things are looking up for Ben and Nate. It's been a rocky 2 days here.
It's been a rocky 2 days.
Rocky 2 days. Turns
It's
out
been a rocky 2 days.
we're the only one on the tour. So.
We got your boy Wilbur in the next room.
No, he's not in the next room. He's in the one way over.
He's in 2 over.
Okay,
He's
so
gonna rock our socks.
this is the end of day 2.